Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Washer Cleaning Pods is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential items for maintaining a pristine laundry room, ensuring your clothes come out smelling fresh and truly clean every single time. These powerful little pods are designed to tackle the tough grime, mold, and mildew that can build up inside your washing machine, often in places you can't even see, leading to unpleasant odors and less effective washes. If you're tired of musty-smelling laundry or wondering why your whites aren't as bright as they used to be, it's time to give your machine the deep clean it deserves with these innovative cleaning solutions. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the mess of traditional detergents. Our eco-friendly, liquidless formula tackles tough stains and odors effectively. It's gentle on your clothes and the planet. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, concentrated cleaning power. Perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, these sheets are incredibly travel-friendly. No spills, no heavy jugs, just pure cleaning convenience. Formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin while remaining tough on dirt. Experience a clean you can feel good about. These versatile sheets dissolve completely in both hot and cold water. Get a superior clean regardless of your wash cycle. What we like? This option offers a truly eco-conscious laundry experience with its innovative sheet format. It's perfect for those who prioritize sustainability and want to reduce plastic waste. If you travel frequently or have limited space, its compact and mess-free design makes it an ideal choice. What people say. These pods are very effective at removing odors and residue from my washing machine. The pods are easy to use, just toss one in and run a hot cycle. My washing machine looks and smells so much cleaner after using these pods. Number 4. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Is your washing machine not smelling as fresh as it used to? Over time, residue can build up, leading to unpleasant odors. Introducing a powerful solution designed to tackle these issues. This cleaner is specifically formulated to break down and remove buildup. Whether you have a front-loading or a top-loading machine, this cleaner is safe and effective for both. It gets into all the nooks and crannies. Using it is simple. Just place one tablet into your washing machine drum and run a normal wash cycle. It's that easy to maintain. Experience a cleaner, fresher-smelling laundry with every wash. Keep your machine running optimally and your clothes smelling great. This pack comes with 5 individual tablets, providing multiple uses to keep your washing machine in top condition. Enjoy a cleaner wash. What we like? This cleaner is designed to effectively combat odors and grime within your washing machine. It's a straightforward solution for maintaining a fresh-smelling appliance. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to deep clean your washer, especially if you notice persistent smells, this is a great option. What people say. These pods are amazing and they clean the washer so well. The pods are easy to use and leave the washer smelling fresh. Number 3. Puracy Free and Clear Dishwasher Pods. Discover the secret to sparkling clean dishes. These powerful pods tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your dishwasher residue-free. Harness the power of natural enzymes for a superior clean. They break down food particles effectively, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Tired of spots and streaks? Our advanced formula guarantees a brilliant shine without any unwanted residue. Just pure, clean dishes. Experience a powerful clean that's also gentle. This free and clear formula is designed to be tough on messes but kind to your dishes. Join the trend and see why everyone is raving about these dishwasher pods. They're the must-have item for a cleaner, brighter kitchen. Get more value with this generous 50-count pack. Plenty to keep your dishes sparkling clean for weeks to come. What we like? Experience a powerful clean that leaves your dishes spotless and free from residue. Its advanced enzyme formula tackles even the toughest food stains. If you're someone who loves trying out popular, effective home solutions and wants sparkling clean dishes without rewashing, this is a must-have. What people say. These pods are very effective at cleaning the washing machine drum and removing odors. The pods are easy to use, just toss one in with a load of laundry. My washing machine smells fresh and clean after using these pods. Number 2. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Is your washing machine not smelling as fresh as it should? Lingering odors can build up over time, affecting your laundry's cleanliness. Our powerful formula is designed to deep clean your washing machine, tackling tough grime and residue. It works effectively in both front and top loader machines. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This cleaner is specifically formulated to eliminate odors, leaving your machine and your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Infused with Oxy technology, it provides an extra boost to break down stubborn buildup. Experience a truly deep clean that restores your washer's performance. This convenient 3-month supply ensures your washing machine stays in top condition. Keep it running efficiently and smelling great with regular use. Whether you have a front-load or a top-load washing machine, our cleaner is safe and effective. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a hygienic laundry environment. What we like? Leveraging Oxy technology, this cleaner provides a deep and thorough cleaning for your washing machine. It's formulated to eliminate tough odors and build up over time. If you want a long-term solution for a consistently clean and fresh washer, and prefer a product that offers multiple uses, this is an excellent value. What people say. These pods are very effective at cleaning the washing machine drum and removing odors. The pods are easy to use, just drop one in the drum and run a hot cycle. My washing machine smells fresh and clean after using these pods. Number 1. Renuv Heavy Duty Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer. Tired of a smelly, grimy dishwasher? Introducing a powerful solution designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs. It's time to restore your appliance to its best. This cleaner goes deep to remove stubborn grease and grime. Experience a new level of clean that you can see and feel. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors. Its natural formula effectively eliminates smells, leaving your dishwasher fresh and clean. Hard water stains and limescale don't stand a chance. This powerful cleaner breaks them down, restoring shine and clarity. Worry-free cleaning is here. Our formula is safe for septic systems, giving you peace of mind with every use. Each XL tablet is packed with cleaning power. Get long-lasting results and a sparkling clean dishwasher with every cycle. What we like? This heavy-duty cleaner is formulated to tackle stubborn issues like limescale, grease, and hard water marks. It provides a deep clean while being septic safe and using natural ingredients for odor removal. If your dishwasher struggles with tough buildup, persistent smells, or you simply want a powerful, natural solution, these XL tablets are designed for you. What people say. These pods effectively clean the washer drum, removing residue and odors. The pods are easy to use, just toss one in and run a hot cycle. They leave the washing machine smelling fresh and looking cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.